Right, let's try these takis then. You've had these ones before, haven't you? You haven't had these two though. So, start with...
Shall I start with a little one?
Yeah.
Go on then. If you need the cheese, dip. Open that one. What do they smell like? Short packet in. Ooh, they're green.
Smell them.
Yeah. No spice really to them. Right, so here she goes. She's gonna try one. Any spice to them?
Only change a little bit.
Try it. Tangy? Yeah, because habanero and cucumber. So they're not even meant to be hot, these. Right, what does it taste like with the cheese sauce?
Pretty good, that.
When we got to Auschwitz, Dr. Mengele split us into two lines.
Oh, my hands.
He couldn't tell the doctor what he wanted.
I'll rate that a 7.8 out of 10.
7, 8 out of 10.
Shall I try these ones?
Go on then, try them ones. Now these have got a different scale on the back of them.
Yeah.
These have got a scale like that rather than like these. Right. What do they smell like? Show me the packet inside. Oh, so they look a bit like the original.
Smells so different to these two. Smell nice.
They look like them ones.
Yeah.
They look on fire.
I'm nervous.
That could have been my grandfather. Prison camp guard at Majdanek.
They're the best ones ever.
What do they taste like then?
Pizza?
Do you know those barbecue ones? Those barbecue crisps?
Yeah.
Those look like they taste the exact same as them.
Nice.
Do you want to try one? I think you'll like these.
Don't even taste that. They're nice though.
No, I don't think most of them are meant to be hot, are they?
Yeah.
Try it with this now. Yeah. The blue ones are.
Mentally ill and they're disabled.
You stop crying, Chop.
They look on fire though, but they're not.
They do look like they should be spicy.
Dad, that's
Just
really
get one
good
out
with
so I
that
can get a
sauce.
close up of it.
Where do you get your compassion?
They do look like they should be spicy, like they look exactly the same as them. Right.
It's really good with that sauce.
Yeah, that sauce is banging, that's why.
Let me try these now.
Well, you've tried them, but yeah, go on.
I ain't tried it with sauce.
Our shop gets them in only every now and then, but
Yeah.
they've never had these
These
two
two,
in.
never.
Them green ones look funky, and I think they're called zombie just because of how green they are, aren't they?
Yeah. And it has a zombie hand on front.
Right, show us in packet.
They'll be hotter than them ones.
Yeah, these look like they should be cheesy. These ones.
No?
Oh. Yep. They do smell more spicy than any others.
But they're not spicy.
Usual. Just tastes like normal. Yeah, you haven't tried them with this dip, I don't think.
That's alright, that.
They're hotter than them ones.
I don't know, the normal ones are hotter than other two.
Only a little bit though. So I'll rate all that a 9.2.
Well, all of them together, 9.2. What do you rate the new ones though?
These two?
They're not even hot.
No, they're
What, the
really
thingy
good
ones
then.
at best?
Yeah. I'll rate these
They're a mix
9.9.
of barbecue and
Yeah.
pizza.
Yeah. Really good. I think you like these.
Yeah.
That was a good time, that. See
And
you
the other
later.
ones are